photographer is Lucy, and
So,
today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to make ramen. The ingredients that you need are ramen packets, 2 cups of cold water, and the next thing you need are pots and to put the water in. And then you want to let the water boil.
boiling.
Da, 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 da. It's Minnie and Mickey. The water is boiling.
Good job.
Thanks. You want to set a 3-minute timer. When it gets to about 10 seconds left, what you want to do is you want to turn it down to a simmer, so it's not too hot. So the hot pot tabs are for, you don't want to put your hot pan on the island because you're gonna burn the island. So you put them on the hot pads, and when you're finished with the soup, you put it in the sink. So yeah.
The beautiful scene.
Yeah.
Guess what? You're so hot. Haha.
Okay. I think the bowl is too big for this ramen.
Oh gosh. Okay, so what are we putting in here?
Chicken flavor.
Chicken flavor. Yeah.